Hi, I'm Jan Burtwell. I've been a patient of Restore Physical Therapy for a couple of years now. I've always been blessed with really good physical health, and frankly, I took my good health for granted until a couple of years ago I developed a really persistent pain at the base of my neck. I made an appointment to see Amanda. I realized that Amanda was correct. Even though I had really strong physical symptoms, the root cause of my pain was stress. My entire body was tense, and the tension was manifesting itself right here at the base of my skull. We worked together, and Amanda used several different techniques to relieve my pain. And during the course of our treatments, Amanda would talk to me about stress and how stress can really impact one's body. And she talked to me about ways that I could manage stress better. I really liked having that opportunity because it made me feel like I was really doing something to help my body heal itself.